its own roots. Breathe out steam on my sleeves. Cold creek, slow gleam. Hands in moss, heart finally loose. Every broken thought drips off like dew. I'm in these woods, finding my peace, where nobody's pulling on me. Let the branches hold what I can't keep. I'm in these woods, finding my peace. Phone turned off, backpack lean, wind right soft through evergreen. One deep scar for every rain. Still I grow through everything. I'm in these woods, finding my peace when nobody